How to install Powertoys in Microsoft Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Powertoys from the Microsoft Store. It's super useful tool with a bunch of great features for productivity. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head down to your search bar and type Microsoft Store and simply click on it to open it up. And once you are in the store, go to the top and click on Search Apps and Games. Now type in Powertoys and simply hit enter. And it should be the first one in the list with a gear icon in its logo. So simply click on it, and once you see the interface like this, simply click on install, and after that the installation process will begin. So just wait for a moment, and once it's done, go ahead and close Microsoft Store. And once the Microsoft Powertoys is installed, it will automatically open up. But if it don't show you, just click on the search bar and search for Powertoys and click on it to open it. And just like that, you are in. Now here you can explore and set up all the powerful tools it comes with, like FancyZones, PowerRename, and more. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.